Babe, did you have a good Christmas?
Yeah, it was good. It's okay. It's fucking blowing minds right now.
How?
I'm hungry.
Kitty, say hi, Mama. Hey. Missy. Hey. She's feisty.
What?
She's like, don't think because I'm looking away, I forgot what you're doing. Full fight.
Yeah,
Oh.
too much feeling for her. She's like, what? Who's touching me? It feels good. I know. You're not used to it.
I don't know where Spike is. He's somewhere. And I'm on the other end of the camera having a good old time.
Word. You want some Chinese food?
I don't want Chinese food. I'm gonna eat my mac and cheese and drink my grapefruit juice.
Sounds good.
Sounds very good. Simple.
I'm gonna get some Chinese.
So yeah, babe, did you enjoy your Christmas?
Yes, I did. It was whatever.
What about Christmas Eve? I enjoyed Christmas Eve. It was nice.
Both days were good.
I was a little lit. Just a little bit. I still don't know what was in my cup.
I didn't drink both
I
days.
don't even know what was in my cup. It was some kind of concoction. Some kind of rum and who knows, rum with wine or something else. What happened?
Yeah,
Mitty! If you only knew you were on blast right now, we could see you. Ooh!
covering
Damn, you took out Spike's antlers. That would have been good. I would have called him right now. He would have walked in.
No reindeer.
Like, he got this Grinch. And look where he's at.
So whatever.
He's dead. That's it. It's over. Damn, baby, your sneakers are just laying there.
Which one?
And look at this guy over here. Spike! You gonna say hi to the subscribers?
You gonna order for pickup?
So yeah, I'm practically ready for bed. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I still got a full face. Yeah, and this is my onesie that I wore. I'm gonna put a picture up so you guys can see, but because we took a few like little family, not really family, but like few pictures, so gonna post those up. But yeah, so we had a really good Christmas, right, babe?
Yeah, we definitely did.
We had a good Christmas. So right now I'm in the process of editing. Well, it's practically edited. My FabFitFun video, which I'm gonna put up for you guys, even though I really didn't want to put it up because I just feel like you guys are not really drawn to that kind of stuff, which is weird because you guys actually like my hauls, but I guess the unboxing is a little different. But I enjoy doing it, so I'm gonna put it up anyway. So I already practically have that done. I just have to just post it, which I planned to do yesterday, but it's been busy lately. So hopefully I get it done tonight, but if not tonight, definitely tomorrow it'll be up and running. But hey guys, just wanted to do a little quick check-in. I hope everybody had a really great Christmas. now everyone has to get ready for New Year's. What are we doing for New Year's? Yeah, we're gonna be at hubby's mom's house, so I don't know if I'll be vlogging that, but we'll see. But yeah, so I hope everyone had a great Christmas, and I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna eat something real quick, go to sleep, you know, and back to the regular grind tomorrow. So babe, say goodnight to everybody.
Good night, y'all. Peace out from Brooklyn.
Yeah, guys, so talk to you guys later.
Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
So this is the next 2 days, because we know we did that last vlog. So because we did the last vlog for you guys, basically, like, you know, after Christmas. So this is 2 days later.
Yeah.
And basically, I came across these snacks, which is kind of fun. You said you heard of it.
Let me see. You gotta show the people what it is.
I know what it is.
Rap snacks. Rap snacks. This is Romeo's rap snack.
Well, it's different ones. So apparently I've never heard of this before, but you said you heard of it before.
Yeah, I've seen it before.
So I actually looked up some videos on YouTube also, and most of the ones I saw were, some of them were from like 2 years ago. So I'm assuming it's been around for a while. Yeah. I just never heard of it. So I happened to go to this deli or corner store, and they had them here. But these were the only 3 that they had. So I said, you know what? I think it would be cool to put this in our vlog. Just trying it out to see, you know, how they actually taste. So yeah, so we have the Romeo Miller Fabulous. I have to do Fabulous because we're in Brooklyn. And Fetty Wap.
Should we try it now?
Yeah. Damn, we just got right in.
Yeah, it's barbecue. Alright, it's barbecue.
Alright. I want to try the Fetty Wap.
Try it?
Yeah. Let's see. Barbie, what is this? Barbecuing with my honey?
Yeah, she's got it. Honey jalapeno.
Oh, I like this one.
So Fetty Wap is honey jalapeno. What you said about that? Every time supposedly.
No, I saw somebody tried it and
they closed one eye.
They closed one eye. It was so funny. It's supposed to be hot, I guess.
You kind of say that the barbecue. Yeah, it is hot though. Oh yeah. Okay. That's pretty good actually. Damn, it is hot.
Like it sneaks up on you?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Then again, I'm weak when it comes to spicy food and shit, hot food. Fabulous one. Deli cheddar.
Oh, that's not bad.
Those regular cheese ones.
What do you think? This one?
No, I don't like this one.
This one's really good. It just like sneaks up on you, like, you know, like you feel it in your throat after a little while.
No, it's no good.
You don't like
this
one?
Like, yeah, I don't know, like 4 or 5 Cheez-Its at once. Too much cheese. You like it?
I see what you mean, but I like all of them.
I don't like the Cheez-Its. All right, so the Fab gets the bull, even though he's my favorite one here. Favorite rapper here.
So, which one is your favorite? If you have a favorite.
If I had to pick it, I guess I would go with the Fetty Wap too.
I like all of them. It's hard.
This one's good. The Romeo's good. Like
this one's really good because it's more like a sweet barbecue.
Yeah, this is a regular shit. Yeah.
Oh, and we forgot to read the stuff in the back. All right, I do one, you do one.
Come on.
We have to. So, the Fabulous Deli Cheddar. It's like a quote from each of them. Okay. It's kind of cool. So, Fabulous said, "Stop trying to skip the struggle. That's where character is built. The hunger for more is created. The lessons for success are taught. So embrace it, feed off it, learn from it, and then overcome it so you can become it."
That is kind of cool.
That's cool.
You got Fetty Wap. This is kind of small though. It's just, nobody put me on. I got up and worked extremely hard for what I have. Nobody can take that from me. Fetty Wap. Pretty cool. What's this one?
And this one is the Romeo Miller one. It says, my pops taught me to keep your head on straight and do what you love.
Yeah.
That's something you would say, though. I feel like all the sentences start with my pops.
My pops, yeah. I mean, all of them kind of say pretty much really
I like
well.
all of them. There's like other ones. They have the Trina one. They have Trina. They have Migos.
Yeah.
I was so mad. And there's two for Migos. There's like a cheese curl one for Migos and a different one. I was so mad that they didn't have it, but at least we get to try them. So I thought that was pretty cool. So.
All right. So only one I would go with is Romeo and Fetty Wap. Now that I know.
And I like all three.
Yo.
And it's a good price too. It's only $1.29. I saw another video. Somebody was complaining about the air in the bag.
All of them are like that.
Yeah, all chips are like that though.
You got half the bag. Actual chips.
You know what we should do? We should see if it's Spike approved.
Oh, word. Spike, come here. No, go ahead. Of course not.
I don't know if they could see him. Okay. Okay. He likes the Fetty Wap one.
Let's go with the Fabulous. Like I said, let's see.
You want me to switch the camera so they can see you?
You didn't like that one, right? I know you didn't like that one. That shit don't taste like the Romeo. This last one. I'm not getting one.
Alright, it's Spike approved also. If y'all don't know who Spike is our dog.
Yeah, he's a pit bull.
Yeah. So, but he eats anything, so. I guess that.
Cheddar. I know you don't like this one. Hey, ooh, you do like it then.
He likes all of them.
Look at my finger. It's a different hand.
Hey. Damn, he's ready looking for more. So it's Spike approved. Babe, you like them, right?
Yeah, you do.
I had to go behind the scenes real quick, guys. So yeah, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Right, babe?
Yeah.
This is on my channel, so you guys already know. But y'all can follow Babe's channel too. It's Too Smart Auto.
No, Lucas Greer.
And Lucas Greer. So same last name as me. First name Lucas. That's his channel. You guys could go check him out over there. He's going to be doing some cool stuff on that channel also. Yeah.